Building and maintaining an email list can be challenging for any business. Well, you are in luck. Here's the new go-to combo, a form builder and email marketing plugin, your key to converting leads into loyal customers. And guess what? Integrating two powerful tools, Fluent Forms and Mailpoet. Let's begin with the setup. First, ensure you have both plugins installed in your WordPress site. Then, from the plugin section, install and activate Fluent Forms connector for Mailpoet. Now head over to the Integration tab of Fluent Forms and activate the integration module. Let's move to the next part. Open up a form that you want to integrate with Mailpoet. Then navigate to the settings of the form and select Configure Integrations. Choose the Mailpoet integration from the drop-down menu. Now, configure the feed. Give it a feed name and select your Mailpoet list. Then you will come across primary fields. Make sure you have mapped them properly, just like this. However, ensure to avoid any errors, as this step is crucial. Okay, all that's left to hit Save Feed. And you are done. To test the integration, submit a test entry using your form. And then check your Mailpoet subscriber list to ensure the information is displayed. And that's all it takes. You are now all set to tap into power of Fluent Forms and Mailpoet, transforming leads into loyal customers. So dive into more integrations with all that Fluent Forms has to offer.